Hello everyone, in today's session I will tell you how to earn pocket money without investing money. So blogging and podcasting, maybe you have heard this name and for few it may be new. So blogging and podcasting, both are the ways on which you can work on your interest. Okay, so your interesting topic and in which you feel you are perfect, you can work on this and with the help of this you can earn money. So today in this session I will tell you how to earn and how to make blog and how to earn money by podcasting. Okay, so let's start. A blog is a web page containing informational content block called post. Blog posts are short piece of writing. Actually, it seems like a website, but it is not because in website we need a programming language, but in blog we need only post. You can write on any particular topic like travel, artistic, even technical, academic, professional, any, and it is a unique form of online publishing. You just need to write and you need to post. Okay. Blogging is the activity of creating blog post and updating it on the website. The person who maintains the blog by creating the post is known as blogger. Blogs may contain all type of data. You can insert text, audio, video and links in your blog. Okay. Now, what is the use of blogging? Blogs are a great space to express your interest and your idea about the different topics, events or current happening. Okay, blogs can be used to promote something and to do marketing. Blogs help in sharing the knowledge. If you have knowledge regarding particular topic and particular subject, then you can share your ideas in your blog. Blog help in social networking. People who like your content of the blog will follow you. Like in Instagram, on the blog, your post will be liked by the followers. As much as followers you have, you can earn money. Okay, and blogs also allow writing comments and giving the feedback, and this creating a social connection. So you can connect with the millions of peoples all over the world, and they can like your content. Okay. As to earn money, you need to do little hard work. So here is also for a blog, your content should be interesting and you need to keep updating it regularly so that followers like your content and watch your content regularly on the regular basis. Okay. You can create blog free of cost through different websites like www.blogger.com, www.wordpress.com and www.blogspot.com, and there is also so many websites by which you can create blog free of cost. Firstly, you need to select a particular topic like your poems, your story writing, anything you can select, and you can create a blog free of cost, and you need to do regularly posting here. Okay. Now, podcasting. Podcasting is a form of audio broadcasting over the internet. We watch video in the YouTube. So podcasting, it's like a FM. You know, whenever we drive in the car, we listen FM. So there is some stories. So in podcasting, it's something like that, and you can record your audio in which you can share your experiences. It can have topic like travel, your experiences, any stories, any motivational thoughts. So you can record any audio, but there is some platforms on which you need to post. You need to create an account on particular that websites, and you need to post your audio there, and by which if your audio likes get higher, then you can also earn money by your podcasting. So this is the process of podcasting. It is actually combination of iPod, casting, broadcast. So now, what is the use of podcasting? Podcast improve your listening skill, okay, and you will get different ideas regarding one topic and you think more and differently. And listening to podcast reduce boredom. Like if you watch videos and you watch tvs, after some times your eyes get tired. So listening to podcast, it's also like listening to songs. So listening to podcast, you can listen different stories, motivational thoughts, and whatever you like. So according to your interest, you can select the topic. Podcast helps to enhance the imagination, because there is only you just listen voice. So it helps you to enhance the imagination and creativity in your mind. Okay. On Android phone, Anchor app, you can make your own podcast, and on laptop or computers, you just need to visit this website anchor.com, and you can make your own podcast. So enjoy your own podcasting.